Hi guys, my name is Brian Leduc, and I have a new update to share with you. On my homepage, you'll see that I have a new blog post called What's Up the Road. So let's take a look at this and see what's going on. The Prevalent Arts roadmap is now here. Prevalent Arts has come a long way. Just over the year and a half of its existence, it made it up to over 570 subscribers. That means that progress is being made and people are very pleased. I've been receiving a lot of positive feedback. People have messaged me, they have thanked me, and overall, this nonprofit business has been going very well. I thank you all for your support, and now it's time to take things even further. And so, for everyone to stay informed in what the future plans are, I decided to add a new roadmap page to the site. The schedule I was originally working on wasn't working out as I had hoped, so I will be working on projects one by one rather than all together. The roadmap page lists all the changes that will come to the site in the order they appear. So you see up here that under the More section I now have a roadmap page, and I'll get into the roadmap in just a second. The biggest update is that the shop section will soon be completed once the t-shirt designs are available for purchase. Additionally, the website will get a new comic, new library stories, new galleries, and much more. Of course, what would Prevalent Arts be without the tutorial videos on Affinity Designer? Well, back when I made the video on 8 new ideas I came up with, I decided to include an additional roadmap for the video tutorials as well. I will still be working on those Wednesdays, and depending on how far I get into them, possibly into Thursdays as well. It's great to see that everything is working out. The coloring book is currently on hold. I underestimated the time to get it done, and there are currently more important things to work on to complete the site. I was hoping I would have more in the story section, for example, but hey, life gets in the way. And the creative writing idea did not really go as I had hoped. I will still be writing, but they will be novels in the story section and not as videos. Lastly, I will add that I am now advocating for people with autism. I have been given the opportunity to create videos and display them on an autism website as a way to inspire and motivate others to do their best. I have a playlist on my YouTube channel, Prevalent Arts, called Inspiration. I decided to include both the advocacy videos and other views I have there. With all that said, thank you to everyone who has been supporting Prevalent Arts and helping with its growth. So, let's take a look at the roadmap page. Alright, so this is going to be the roadmap page, and I said once a feature or listing is completed, it will be in dark red. So this is the site roadmap, and down here is the tutorial roadmap. So the first thing I'll be working on now is the t-shirt designs in the shop section, because right now the shop section, it's blank, so I need to get that filled up. And while I work on the site roadmap, I'm also going to be working on the tutorial roadmap at the same time, but I'll be working on the tutorial roadmap on Wednesdays and possibly Thursdays as well. So after the t-shirt design, I'm going to work on the bundle of pain comic in the story section, and then add more stories in the library section, update the site background, add illustrative headers for each page, because let's see, if I go into website art and I go back to my older art, I can delete it. Back when I was using Weebly, the site was originally going to be called Groovy Tunes, and this was going to be the site background. And this is the illustrative art. So I'm going to update these and have titles on the top of each page. So that's what the illustrative art is going to be. Go back. So add a character wall and figures folders in the gallery section. Add Fairy Blue animations in the gallery section. Yeah, Fairy Blue is kind of like the main fairy mascot of Prevalent Arts, similar to Tinkerbell from Disney, because there's a little secret behind that character that is very important to the role of Prevalent Arts. Don't want to mention what it is yet, but so complete coloring book or make more stories in the story section. But right now I'm just going to work on the shop section. Okay. Please, so this is the tutorial roadmap, and so I'm sure that this is where a lot of people are interested. Please be aware that not all tutorials created are listed here. Only the ones from this video and ideas after that point are. And it's been a while. So, 8 new Affinity Designer video ideas. So, all of the ideas in this video will be listed on this roadmap, plus 2 others, or just other ideas I think of. So, this is where you can see the tutorials that I will be making. And you'll see that this one is completed, so it's in red. That one and these 2 have been completed as well. So I thought this would be a helpful update for people who are interested in knowing what projects lie ahead or what Affinity Designer videos are ahead. So this page is for you guys to refer back to and take a look. Okay, this is what Brian's going to be working on. The Affinity Designer videos, they're not going to go in a particular order. They're going to be randomized. The site updates, they're going to go in order. So I just thought this would be helpful for you, and let me know what you think. And have a good day.